What the bird?
What the bird?
What the bird?
At the Institute for Hearing Technology and Acoustics at RWTH Aachen University in Germany, bird species have a long tradition of more than 20 years, giving our software libraries and modules a name. In contrast to real birds, our software birds do not only fly. They transport the power of a sound source to the ear of the receiver. Our first bird, a raven, was not allowed to be outside yet. It stayed mostly inside, in rooms. Using ray tracing and the image source model, it quickly learned to efficiently simulate decay curves and reflections. These could be turned into room impulse responses, and with the support of an efficient convolver, a beautiful convolution module we called Zitronenfalter, which is German for brimstone butterfly, binaural auralizations became possible. And after multiple years of research, we figured that our birds deserve a bit more freedom.
Our propagation models got more and more versatile and are now trained to consider diffraction, making them fit for urban sound propagation. The humble pigeon finds its path through complex urban environments. With the help of its friend, the pelican, these paths are transformed into propagation effects. Turning these reflections and diffractions into auralizations is handled by the little dovelet. This flock of birds works well together, but they need guidance and organization to create dynamic auralizations. An excellent job for an intimidating snake, a python. Here you can see examples which demonstrate how the combination of these open source packages results in urban sound auralizations.
We continue to feed our birds, and our bird population keeps growing and growing.